Hi guys, welcome to Jas's Journey. My name is Jasmine. Welcome and thank you for selecting this video. This is my first unboxing, and to be honest, I usually get boxes from boxycharm almost the mid of the month or a little bit further on. So I was very happy and impressed to get a box so early on. But this box is from Glossybox. Look how pretty this box is. As I just saw the picture, it came in a black box that you see in the back. And I wasn't expecting another box inside, and when I opened it, I got another box inside with the theme of this month. So they did contact me asking me if I'm willing to receive a box and just give my true opinion about it, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do. So together we're gonna be opening this box from Glossybox. This one you will receive about 5 deluxe items, 5 items, and it costs $21, but they are offering a great deal. So just for your first box, you could actually use my link. They were kind enough to send me a referral link to join or would like to try them out for this month or next month. You could go ahead and use my referral link, and you're going to be saving 22%. So that means it's going to be a lot less for trying out your first box with Glossybox. So guys, let's go ahead and open it. I'm gonna tell you what I thought once I opened it. Like I told you, I actually thought the box was, once you open it, the items is there, is how I'm used to, but I wasn't expecting another box inside. So right there I was like taken back, and it really put a smile on my face. The one thing that came to mind was if I really wanted to send a gift to a family member, to my mom, my sister, a friend, this is such a great box to send, because the details, I am loving the details. You're gonna see how it looks like. So this theme, as you see, for this month is Aloha. This takes me back when I went to Hawaii. I went to Hawaii to celebrate my 20th wedding anniversary. It's one of those places I keep telling my husband we would like to go back. Yeah, this takes me back there. So look how pretty on the details. I know I'm gonna be keeping this box, and it says a moment of paradise. So once I opened it, it had 2 cards, so 2 gift cards of watches, and it says velvet eyewear, and then inside another detail, this card, and it tells you exactly what's inside. See what's inside, and I think the theme is so perfect for the summer. So let's go ahead and start opening the box. I'm telling you, the details, if somebody gets a box like this on the mail for a birthday, a surprise, just because this is so cute. I'm telling you, I just love their details of the packaging. You remove the seal, and then you get to open and see what's inside. I'm telling you, the colors, the theme, I am so impressed. So the first thing that I do see, and the box is pretty sturdy, so I know I'm going to be using this box. The first thing I see is the daily concept. I got this before in Birchbox, well, years ago. So this one is different. This one is perfect for travel. I do miss traveling, so this will be something I will put. I already have a bag of stuff that I take when I travel, so I will put this there. And this is an exfoliating dual texture scrubber. The retail price for this is $12, and this is perfect for even sensitive skin. That's me, to buff away dead skin cells and dirt. So just like we exfoliate in the skin, it's good to exfoliate in your body as well, and I think I need that. I know too much info, but I'm excited to try this. And like I said, this one retails for $12. Look how cute this is. It's Hawaiian theme, and this is from Monu Skin Soothing Hawaii Facial Oil. This is a facial oil, and it says that the full size retails for $39. It does have that lavender essential oil. I just don't like how it could easily fall, but it is an oil. I'm gonna try it out. What I was thinking was, I got this scrub from Osea. It does feel like, you do smell the lavender. It does feel like an oil, but it feels like my skin needs it, so it just completely absorbed it. But at the same time, it doesn't feel greasy at all. I just feel like a soft moisturizer on the skin. So look at the difference. I don't know if you could tell. This is the one that has the oil. This one doesn't have the oil, and it does feel more rough. Then it does feel really soft, so I like that. So remember, this is a deluxe mini, and it says the full size bottle that is 100 ml retails for $39. It's a full size. It says the beauty crop 2-in-1 combo that enhances your lips and cheeks with a lovely shade of peachy rose. It's formulated with coconut and apricot kernel oil, and your skin will have a gorgeous fresh tropical glow. And this says this is a full size, and the full size retails for $21. So far this alone will pay the price of the box. And look how pretty it is, the same theme as we're going. So it says you could put this on your lips. Oh, look how cute is that shade. You could put it on your lips or on your cheeks, and it does feel pretty nice. I'm impressed with these products so far. How cute this is. To be honest, guys, I don't know if you see a little bit of the blush. I've been using the Milk blush, and I thought I wasn't gonna like it, but I'm starting to like that kind of buttery, creamy texture. And you just put it, and then with the brush, I just dab it the same way that I put my foundation. And I'm preferring this type of blush versus the powder method. And I think I will put this in my purse, because you could put this in your cheeks or your lips. Freeman Beauty. This one retails for $4.29. I've seen this brand at Walmart. I did try one of their brand, and one of those masks kind of like, it wasn't good for my sensitive skin, so I have to see how this one works. It says that with this one you could use it 3 to 4 times, and it cleanses skin for luminous complexion. It's gonna detoxify peel off mask. This skincare treatment helps gently exfoliate and rejuvenate skin for luminous complexion. So this is something that I have to just try gently, not to put too much, because like I have tried this brand before, and one of the masks did break out. I had some type of reaction. Another mask. This is from Hask, coconut oil. I'm telling you, look at this theme. Was so, even the colors are on point. These are deluxe sachet. These are little packets. So I wanted to try. I've tried some of these masks before. I saw a review so many years ago for your hair, and they recommended from this brand a mask, and I did see improvement in my hair. Packets, and this is the Monoi coconut oil conditioner. Help hydrate your hair, infused with softening Monoi oil and a blend of Tahitian gardenias and coconut oil to hydrate and strengthen. This conditioner is going to protect against damage by softening and strengthening your locks. So I'm excited to try it, because I used to buy a lot of those packets, and it was true. I did see some good results. I don't know why I stopped getting those, but I'm glad that I got it again, and I feel like it's going perfect with the theme. And we got 2 in the box. So the last thing we got is from Polar. Look how cute this is. It's Polar, P-O-L-A-A-R, Northern Light Smoothing Fluid. This is a fluid. This is the deluxe size. So this one is worth $22, but if you buy the full size, which is the one, I went to the website, very pretty. I think this is a French company, and you can find them in the UK mostly, and the only size that they had was a full size, and it does retails for $46. This is, remember, it's a fluid. It's the height of summer. So this natural face fluid is packed with Siberian olive, which is rich in vitamin C, and salicylic acid to give you radiant skin, tighter pores, and a more refined skin surface. Is combined a light fluid texture and a matte finish, and it's ideal base for warm weather. So this is perfect for the summer, and it has salicylic acid, and it's a fluid that you could just put on your skin. And I only saw 2 reviews, and people were happy with it. I'm just gonna dab that here on top of that oil, and it does have a nice scent. So you just apply this on your skin, and it's nice on my skin. Look how much softer and luminous it looks versus this one. Looks a little bit more dry. I got this product before, months back. Look how pretty this bag is, from Ipsy, and it was celebrating their 100th glam bag. And I did get that product as well from that brand, but it was a different one. And this is the size that we got from Glossybox, and this is the one I got from Ipsy. It's a little bit smaller. And they said this one retails for about $22, and this was the Polar Night Relaxing Cream. I don't know, now that when you see a brand twice and then you start going to their website, you start reading a little bit more, it does seem like a really good brand to try. So this is a night cream. It does say it's for the night. It does feel a little bit thicker, but it does glide nicely on the skin. So guys, this is it. This is everything I got from Glossybox. What do you guys think? Remember, the retail price for the box will be $21, but if you use my referral link and you want to try them out and you want to get the next first box, remember you're going to be saving 22%, and at least you get to try some of these products. This will be such a great way for you to send this box. And just the details, when I saw the box, I was like, wow, this is so pretty. I really love details, and I love that the theme just carries through from the box and everything you see inside the box. I'm gonna be keeping the box. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet, but I think it's so pretty. So yeah guys, I really like this box. Let me know what you guys think on the comment section. So thank you guys for watching this video, and until the next video, bye.